Hello out there, Splinterlands players. It's Steven, and I'm going to do my Share the Battle challenge video right now. This week they had us use the Child of the Forest, which was a really good card of the new set. The reason why I think it's a really good card of the new set is because it's one of the first times that the Earth team got a secondary sniper. So the card, I forgot to bring it up before I got here, is also pretty cool because it's only 3 cost, and so it's easy to fit into the team. As you can see, I need to level mine up. I only have him at level 4. I'm working on it. I got a little stack here. I just need a couple more to get him leveled up more. I've been buying lots of untamed packs and winning them, but it takes a while to get the rares. So let's go ahead and go to his stats so we can break him down a little bit. I pushed him up to here. I really need to get him here, and he'll be a little bit extra to have the snare. And then you really, after that, the next goal is to get him to this max level to get to that 3rd attack. I know that investment you have to get him to that max level. It's a lot of money, so you got to know whether or not you want to use the card. To me, he's really simple. He's another sniper on the team. He combos well with the Spirit of the Forest and the other Untamed card, which I'll go ahead and show. That's a sniper on the neutral team. I forget the name of this card. This one right here. The Mantoid is also a sniper that can get up here in the 3 attack range and even the 4 attack range. So you could have around 7-8 damage and snipers running. So I'll go ahead and get to my battle now. It's kind of a simplistic card. It doesn't have a whole lot to it. It's a sniper that has snare, so it has a little bit of play in helping you take out flying monsters in the back row. That is helpful. I don't know about if it's super good. It's not. It's like, hey, cool. If I run into a flying guy there, like the new eagle, I'm gonna snare him, make him easier for other people to hit, as long as you land the blow. So let's go ahead and we'll bring up my battle I want to share with you. I pulled it off just now, and I thought it was a pretty fun video. So battle to watch because it was pretty evenly matched. And I did do, when I do snipers, I like to run at least 2 snipers. So as you can see here, I'm out leveled a little bit. I've got a 7, a 3, a 4, and a 5 here. But I do have healing, double healing, and I have a flying back row 6 speed that might be able to dodge this guy. And so can this little team, less monsters, can I power through even with the armor, this guy, then this guy, and then this guy, before they can kill my golem? Now, I honestly didn't think I was going to win this fight. It's one of the reasons why I decided to show it to you. So here we go. As you can see, it was 21 mana, no neutrals. So this is kind of how I ended up with this team, just trying to see if I could get a win with the Child of the Forest. I was surprised to see it happen so quickly. So we'll watch this kind of medium speed. The debuffs go in. I do have the extra armor, which is helpful. It is also good that he didn't have any extra armor because each of my monsters that were snipers had the 2 attacks. I got a little unlucky there that he got a poison right away because that made this close, as you'll watch. I got a miss there. That's where my slowdown probably made a big difference, and now his slow's off the board. And my slow is going to stay there for 1 more attack on his skeleton warrior, but he lands a blow. He doesn't get a poison, so he hasn't made it through my armor yet. Now both of our slow guys are down, but this round, since my guys have good speed in round 4, we're gonna go ahead and heal up, and then we're gonna take out that spider. That was really important because now he lost that extra 2 damage on the front row. So see, if he would have dealt that 2 damage when poison ticked in the next round, he would have killed me. I get a lot of misses on that back row, and then me and the Child of the Forest start going to work. And this is where the Child of the Forest speed, which I kind of forgot to mention, is really key. Why it works so well with the Spirit of the Forest. You see that 6-5 speed got those attacks off before he was taken out. And that was really important too, because without this extra 2 damage here, it might have taken me too long just dealing 4 damage a turn to kill the haunted spirit. And then in my Spirit of the Forest might have died before I got him down, and that would have been the end of it for me. Now right there, I always go first because I'm a legendary monster, but that's what's really keyed me in. And even, I mean, it was so crazy to see how many times he almost killed my golem. And that was a pretty crazy 10-round fight where a small team, just with people in the right places, all just barely survived, and I got a victory with cards that are not maxed out over maxed out cards. That's another reason I wanted to show this. You know, you set up your team the right way, and you get a little bit of lucky maybe, and you can win a match against somebody running max level cards without running max level cards. So I hope you all have a good day. Take care. Make sure you take part in the Share Your Battle Challenge. I'm going to try to post this later tonight. If not, I will post it on Sunday. I will talk to you all again soon. Bye.